Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off voice advanced voice activity on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now here you will find voice settings. Click on it like this, and here as you see you will find advanced voice activity. Click like this, and that's it. It will be turned off, and that's how to turn off advanced voice activity, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.